feel like a rock star. Or like in late 80s, early 90s gym teacher. Don't forget, guys, the cutoff date for Mrs. Pattay's performance video collage by you guys is like December 2nd, December 3rd, up to a certain point. So don't forget, you have to email me at jpattay@gmail.com. I'll throw you in the collage and we'll throw it on the channel. All right, guys, I really appreciate it and enjoy the video. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to an episode of Pattay's Performance. Today we'll be working on our Cub Cadet that I bought from this lady that I saved her life and she saved mine. Yeah, so as you guys know, if you guys didn't catch up with the series, watch the first part as I go through this machine. This machine is an absolute cluster, you know what. We're gonna have to do a bunch of work to this machine. We're gonna tie a bunch of videos together. There is going to be a complete series on this, but today's video, we are going to be replacing this right here. This is your auger cable. As you guys know, this thing does not blow snow, and this is frozen down here. There is nothing we can do. There is nothing holding this back to springing this back up. As we dive deeper into this machine, we found out that the auger cable was broke and the auger belt was shredded. So we will be going to be doing a video on replacing this auger cable, and we will do the belts as well. We're going to cut this video off at a certain point once the cable is installed, and then from there we will switch over to doing the belts, and then we will circle back and close everything out all together. Alrighty, so the part number and the eBay affiliate link to where I got the cable from the same exact seller will be in the description. Okay, I would not start this video, I would not tackle this repair without a basic socket set and a ratchet and a couple of wrenches. I'm going to be using my Milwaukee Impact to expedite this process, but feel free to use whatever tools you have at hand at your own discretion. I'm going to be using 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive will work as well. If you don't have any tools, please go out and buy them and make sure you get a whole set. Do not get individual size particular sockets. Buy the whole set because you're going to start working on other things as well. It gets pretty addicting. Ask me how I know. So let's start here with this cable. This is loosey-goosey. I'm just going to pop that out and let it fall to the ground. Okay, we're going to trace this cable all the way around till we get to this belt cover right there. So now we know that we must take off this belt cover. Now these should be 3/8 or 10 millimeter. See, I already had it off because I had to diagnose this machine, as you guys know. There's going to be one bolt on each side, use mechanical instinct. One bolt here, another bolt on the other side as shown in the other video. And we're just going to pop this belt cover off. And we're going to review this crappy design. Oh, man. So as you guys can see, this cable comes here around the corner and it hooks up to the auger. Pulley right here. So now this is the perfect time also to change belts, which is what we're going to be doing as well. And there is going to be some gap in here because, like I said, we're going to split this machine in half to replace this pulley. You do not want to stretch anything. You probably can, let me just double check, do this without splitting the machine in half, but I don't want to bend. As you guys know, MTD makes a fragile machine, and I'm using fragile to be nice. I don't want to hurt no one's feelings. Okay, that auger pulley bracket bends very easily. And as you guys seen on the channel, I have replaced quite a few of them. So let's just see, can I squeeze this in? without bending this. That's what I do not want to bend anything. No, so we're gonna have to get some separation here and split this machine in half. Just enough to get this on. Can we go this way? We can. Yes, we can. Alrighty. You see that? Yes, you did. You guys got a great angle. So that's going to slide in there. This belt does not work, so we're going to leave this. And now we see that we have to remove a bracket on the other side. So with this bracket here, you see that there is a pulley there. Okay, we need to access that pulley where this cable wraps around. So again, 3/8. And this comes off. Should come off. What are we missing? There we go. And right here, focus, is this pulley that we need to access. So this is again 3/8. We're just going to loosen this because we need to get enough play to get this cable out. You see that? Come on, baby, focus. You guys get the idea. Now this cable is junk. Get the old cable out of the way. What the hell? Okay, so now we have our cable like this. Let's get our bracket. Let's loop the cable around like so. Make sure it gets in here. Come on. See how it's in there? Okay, and we could just tighten it back down. 3/8. Send it home. Now we could put this bracket back in. Same way. Get that belt out of the way. And it's just, everything is pre-aligned. Make sure that cable runs underneath. It's not caught under anything. So we will just run this cable right here around like so. Nice and tight. Around the wheel. And then we will take our bolt. We will put it back in. I don't know how this cable broke. It's very rare that I see them, they break. Now we're going to go around, we're going to trace where this is, which is right to this wheel, right here. We are going to wrap this around. We're going to come up to where we found this cable. Does it go in beach? How does it? We need to undo this because we need to screw this in. So let me back this off, Because remember, this thing is in the wrong position. Right there. Now what I'm going to do to get extra cables, I'm not going to wrap it around the last loop. What I'm going to do is, I want excess, and we're going to leave it like that. See how I did that? I undid that, the pulley that we did, and I hooked it. We're going to go in between this bracket and the mount, and now we're going to focus back on that pulley. Remember that pulley? That's right there. We're going to focus on that. And then but see, this auger lock is now not disengaging. What is wrong here? Doesn't make any sense. Let me get the belt on there and we'll go from there. So let's put the belts on this thing.